Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So here we are back with a new interesting video that create world map using Python. Okay, in this video we'll see that how we can create world map using Python. So for creating a world map, first of all we are going to use a library. That library name is cartop. Okay, cartop. Okay, now let me introduce you to this library. Those who are new to this library, see, this is a very powerful tool in Python, means powerful library in Python, which is especially used for creating maps, and not only maps, handling the geographic data also. Okay, now one more thing about this library is that it is built on the top of the matplotlib library. Okay, so I think that most of the persons here who are watching this video are friendly with the matplotlib library. So yeah, it is built on the matplotlib library. Okay, so we can use that library also to visualize this. Okay, and we are going to use that also. Now, based on this library provides us different map projections. One is Mercator, one is plate carry, one is Albers equal area. Okay, so there are multiple map projections inside this library which we can use to plot our world map. So the map projection which we are going to use is the plate carry. Okay, so we are going to use the plate carry. Now let's move to our code and let's see that how our code is going to create. It is a very simple code and how this code is going to create a world map. Okay. Now, first of all, let's start by importing. So we are going to import three things. First, from the Cartopy, we are going to import from this Cartopy library. There is a submodule, and based on that submodule, there is CCRS. Okay. Now this CCRS has that plate carry map projection. Okay. Then from this Cartopy library, we are going to import the feature. Okay, and from the feature, we will import the feature as C feature. So we are importing the cartopy.crs as CCRS, means Cartopy C, so it will be CCRS. Okay, so instead of writing the whole name, we are giving a alias name to it. Then for Cartopy feature, we will use C feature, and then for our very own matplotlib.pyplot, we are going to use the PLT. Okay, now let's go forward. And now let's just see. Okay. So now from the CCRS, we are using the map projection plate carry. Okay. So this plate carry projection, uh, it is now you guys will ask that what is this plate carry? So let me give you a brief expression about this, brief information about this plate carry map projection. See, it is also known as a equirectangular projection. Means in a rectangular base, we'll get our whole world map. Okay. And it is very simple map projection in which the coordinates of the map, means the coordinates which will be present in our map, that corresponds directly to the longitude and the latitude. Okay, and it is one of the oldest and simplest types of map projections also. So this is also one more thing. So now we are storing it in projection, so whenever we have to use this, so we are going to use the object projection for that. Okay, now let's come to the next part. What we are doing, we are creating a figure and a subplot. Okay, so for creating a figure and a subplot, what we are doing, we are just using this line. Okay, so in this we are given a figure and then the axes. Based on that, we are going to create the subplots using the matplotlib library. So plt.subplots, and in the subplots means we are using the function subplot based on the matplotlib library. Now this is going to give us two things which I mentioned already, that it is going to create a figure and the set of the subplots. Okay, for that I have taken ax here. Now inside this, I have taken this subplot underscore kw. Okay. Now what is this? So this subplot underscore kw, it is the parameter of the subplots. Okay. That that makes us allow here that we can pass a keyword argument to the subplot. So as you can see, I am passing a first the key projection and then the value for that projection as projection. Okay. So it is specifying that the axis AX should use the plate carry projection. Okay. Now, let's go to the next line, that is for setting the extent, means you can say the axis also. So you can see we are using this axis ax, and then the method set extent. So this method sets the geographic extent of the map, okay, defining the boundaries of the displayed area based on the displaying area. So what areas we want to include, we want to display. So we have just taken the simple values from minimum to maximum longitude and latitude. So minus 180 to 1 positive 180 for the minimum to maximum longitude, and minus 90 to 90 for the minimum and maximum latitude. Okay. And then in the end, we are mentioning the CRS, means the projection, to be using this plate carry. Okay. Then we are adding two features here. Okay. We are adding two features here. And that features are, first, the feature is for the land, to represent land on our map. And for that, we have used one more parameter, face color, for light green. And one more feature we are adding in our map, that feature is for the representing oceans in our uh, map. And for that I have taken a navy color. Okay. Now one more thing which I have added here, the grid lines, okay, for showing the specific longitude and latitudes. Okay. And then at the last, we are just using the matplotlib show method to show our, means to show in a formatted way. Now let's execute the cell, and let's wait for a few seconds, and now you will see we'll get our new, means not new, means we'll get our world map. Okay. Now based on this, we can do more things, means we can add more things for highlighting India, or for highlighting other country or a geographic location. So for that, using this particular code only, by adding more features to it, we can just do that also. So let me know in the comments if you want that type of video also, that how to mark a specific country. So we will create a new video for that also. Okay. So I hope you like this video, that how you can create a world map using Python. So this video, I hope that this video will find useful for you. So thanks for watching the video. We'll see you in the